What's going on, Mixonites? I am Nathen Mixon. Hey, if you're looking to upgrade your seats of your Tesla Model 3 or Model Y without sacrificing comfort and style, I got a solution for you. Today we are talking about the Yeslak seat covers, specifically designed for the Tesla Model 3, Model Y, and even the new 2024 Highland. Whether you just want to switch up your Tesla or just keep it in pristine condition, these seats are going to work for you. This is the upgrade you have been waiting for. Make sure you check out their site and use my code Mixonite to save 20% off your purchase. It's not just seat covers there either, by the way. If you are a Tesla owner, you know the seats are pretty decent, but they can be very fragile over time. We're talking about bulging, flaking off, or just getting plain dirty from everyday use. Not to mention, if you do want to change the colors of your seat, your options are very limited. And let's face it, replacing your seats can be very expensive. Yeslak seat covers is a simple yet premium solution. These seat covers are made from high quality vegan leather and a Nappa finish, giving you a luxurious feel without the high cost of maintenance. Plus, they come in some pretty slick colors, like my personal favorite, red, but it also comes in orange and white, just to name a few. You can get any of these custom looks and also protect the seats underneath. What really sets these seats apart is the attention to detail. First, they're waterproof, durable, and odorless, meaning that they're perfect for everyday wear and tear. The breathable designs keep you comfortable no matter the season. Yes, even in the summer where it really gets hot. Trust me, I am in California. It is always hot. Installation is pretty easy. Matter of fact, if I wasn't shooting the video, it would probably take me around 25 minutes. With shooting, it took me about 30 minutes. And they fit snugly over your original seats with a sleek 360-degree full coverage. There's even a reserved spot for the airbag, so you don't have to worry about compromising safety. And they also have air-through holes that line up with the ventilation system, so your seat cooling features still work perfectly if you have that. I don't have that. The Tesla seat covers are designed for the Tesla Model 3, Model Y, and even now the Model 3 Highland, so you know it's going to fit like a glove. When it comes to maintenance, it's really simple. Just get your wet rag or a little towel and wipe them down. Like Boozy. So if you're ready to protect your Tesla seats from dirt, stains, and wear, while also giving your car a fresh and custom look, head over to Yeslak and reinvent your car. Check out their sites for a ton of accessories and utilize my code Mixonite to save up to 20% off your next purchase. The links will be in the description. Until next time, drive safe and keep that interior looking sharp.